Hi everybody, Martyn Flinting Feathers again today, and I'm doing another bonefish fly for you. This is the ring burner. It's basically a kind of variation in the Christmas Island special. I think it was Darren Asquith at Untamed Tackle and Flies in Australia that come up with this pattern, as far as I know. Nice free flashy fly, well worth sticking in your box. As always, there will be a materials list in the description, along with a link to social media and the Patreon page for anybody who'd be interested in supporting the channel to become eligible for future giveaways. Hook in the vise, this is a size 6, but you can tie them in different sizes, tie them up to a 2, down to a 10. It's going to run on a bed of thread. This is fluorescent fire orange. Tie in my weight, which is a medium brass hourglass eye or a barbell eye. Up to you what you use. You can use lead, you can use bead chain, tungsten, dazzle eyes, just to suit your where you're fishing. Right. Worth checking with the fly that you've got there sometimes. So we've got a wee bit of super glue on the eyes. And then I'll get some root beer crystal flash. I don't know, 6 or 8 strands, something like that. That's plenty. And I'm just going to measure the tail a bit of shank length. And I'll fold this back and tie it down to just about at the start of the bend, in line with the barb. Then I'll just run a nice bed of thread. And come over my barbells again. This really helps to lock them in place because you've anchored your tie-in. Just going to slightly taper that body, but I want to keep it nice and slim. Take my thread to the front, get a wee half hitch. Now I'm going to put a wee drop of super glue along the back of the shank there, and then I'm going to wind these ends of the crystal flash forward. I'll come around my eyes, back, some of the way up to the front again. Make sure you cover I'll just tie that off and trim away my waist. The stage will come in with a wee bit of head cement. You could use UV resin if you like, but I just use the head cement most of the time. Works just as well. And just a thin coat's all you need. Just have a wee check, make sure everything's nice and covered up how you like it. I'll take another, say 3 strands, crystal flash, fold them in half, short one there, just take that out. Fold these over the thread, catch them in 2 or 3 wraps, then you can just align them and tie everything off. Tidy that up so you've got a nice smooth underbody, or tying point, sorry. And I'll just come in, some of them, so they're just slightly shorter than the tail fibres. The wing is fin raccoon. You could use Arctic fox, I suppose, or anything like that. Any nice mobile hair. There's a nice piece. Keep it sparse. You don't want to go crazy with the amount of hair. Just come in, set your wing length. It's up to you. I mean, I want it just sort of coming, maybe creeping past the tail, the couple of longest fibres. But it's your fly. Some people like shorter wings, some people might like a long trailing wing. But I like it about that length for these. And then just touch the ends of that raccoon with the super glue, and then come back into the cut ends. And see. Oops. Right, just tidy up. Just take a minute, look at it, and build up a reasonable wee nose on this. Doesn't need to be huge, but I like it to be a decent size. Let me see it. Just adds an extra bit of fluorescent hot spot to the fly. Oops. What's happened there? There we go. Whip finish. Up to you. Use the tool. Use your hand. Whatever you prefer, doesn't matter. I use both. It just depends what kind of mood I'm in, really. Always 2. Right, your flat flies have got to be hitting coral and all that, so there's no harm to put an extra whip finish on it. Right, just moisten the wing. It helps sort of get it out of your way, and then I'll touch my thread with super glue. Be very careful not to touch your wing. If you touch the wing, the fly is ruined. Let that super glue sit for just a couple of seconds, and then I'll just twist it to take away any excess. Just quickly rub it, and that'll also tack down if there's any sort of wee stray hairs or anything, or frayed bit of thread or anything. It'll tack it onto the head, onto the nose of the fly. And then, just to finish off, come with my head cement. Coat the whole head. It'll give you a nice shiny, hard, durable head. And there you go. That's the ring burner. Basically a Christmas Island special variant, but nice bonefish fly. As I say, tie them different sizes. Tie them heavier, tie them lighter. They'll work. They'll work. They're well worth having. So, hope that was useful, hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up below and subscribe to the channel. Okay, thanks guys, bye.